Have you recently inherited a home in California that has a reverse mortgage? And now you're feeling overwhelmed, wondering how to navigate the probate process. If so, you're not alone. Inheriting a property that comes with debt, especially a reverse mortgage, can be confusing, intimidated, and downright stressful. But don't worry, I'm here today to guide you step by step through the probate process, help you understand how reverse mortgages work, and show you exactly what your options are to manage or resolve the mortgage while protecting your inheritance. In today's video, we'll cover precisely how to handle probate for a California property with a reverse mortgage, offer practical solutions, share important legal details, and even provide real-life scenarios to help illustrate your options. Be sure to stick around until the end because I'll also share some critical advice on how to maximize the value of your inherited home, even under these challenging circumstances. And before we dive in, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you're finding this type of content helpful. Let's jump right in. First, let's clearly define what a reverse mortgage is and how it affects probate in California. A reverse mortgage is a special type of home loan available to homeowners age 62 or older, allowing them to convert home equity into cash without monthly payments. The loan balance grows over time as interest accrues and becomes payable when the borrower passes away, sells, or permanently moves out. When someone passes away, leaving a home encumbered by a reverse mortgage, the situation can become complicated for heirs. California probate courts require careful handling of properties with outstanding debts, especially reverse mortgages, because these loans become due shortly after the homeowner's death. The lender typically allows a limited window, usually about 6 months, with potential extensions, for heirs to decide on the property's future. Now let me share a real-life story to help you see how this might play out. Sarah, an Orange County resident, recently experienced exactly what you're going through right now. When Sarah's mother's passed away unexpectedly, she inherited her childhood home, a charming property located near Laguna Beach. But there was one major issue. Sarah discovered her mom had taken out a reverse mortgage several years earlier to supplement her retirement income. Initially, Sarah was shocked and overwhelmed. She received letters from the reverse mortgage lender informing her the loan would soon be due. She was understandably worried. Could she lose her mother's cherished home? Could the bank immediately take possession? Not knowing where to begin, Sarah reached out to an experienced probate attorney and a probate specialized real estate professional who quickly eased her mind by outlining clear, actionable steps. Together, they navigated California's probate process, secured extensions from the reverse mortgage lender, and devised a strategic plan to preserve the home's equity. As you'll see in Sarah's story, having a clear plan and knowledgeable guidance makes all the difference. When inheriting a home with a reverse mortgage, you'll typically have 3 options. 1, sell the home. You can sell the home, repay the reverse mortgage with the sale proceeds, and keep any remaining equity. 2, refinance or pay off the loan. You have the option to pay off or refinance the loan balance and keep the property. This means you would secure a traditional mortgage or use other funds to satisfy the reverse mortgage. 3, deed the home back to the lender. If the home's value is significantly lower than what's owed, you can let the lender take possession through a process called deed in lieu of foreclosure without financial consequences. It's important to act promptly because reverse mortgage lenders have strict deadlines. Let's break down the probate process for a California property with a reverse mortgage. Step 1. Initiating probate by filing a petition for probate with the California Probate Court. Ideally, consult an attorney specializing in probate to handle paperwork accurately. Step 2. Notify the reverse mortgage lender immediately. Inform the lender about the homeowner's passing. The lender will provide a clear statement showing the outstanding loan balance and repayment deadlines. Step 3. Appraise the property. California probate courts require an official appraisal to determine the home's current market value. A court-appointed probate referee typically handles this valuation, which is essential in determining your best financial strategy. Step 4. Assess your options carefully. Review your 3 options: sale, refinance, payoff, deed in lieu, in detail, ideally with guidance from your attorney and real estate professional. Ensure you clearly understand how much equity exists and whether it's financially beneficial to retain or sell the home. Step 5. Communicate clearly with the lender. Maintain constant communication with the lender, keeping them informed of your plans. Most lenders are willing to work with heirs if you demonstrate you're actively taking steps toward repayment or sale. Here's where your realtor becomes a crucial partner. Accurate home valuation. Your realtor helps confirm the home's value, crucial for determining whether selling makes financial sense or if refinancing is a viable option. Preparing and selling the home efficiently. Experienced probate realtors understand the urgency and specialized marketing strategies needed to sell homes encumbered by reverse mortgages quickly and at a maximum value. Assisting with repairs and staging. Often inherited homes require repairs or staging. Your realtor coordinates these services quickly, helping the property sell for more. Mediator and advisor. Inherited homes can create family tensions. Your realtor acts as a neutral third-party advisor, easing communications and ensuring smoother transactions. Returning to Sarah's story, her realtor quickly evaluated the Laguna Beach home, recommended essential repairs, and executed a targeted marketing strategy that resulted in multiple competitive offers. Within 3 months, Sarah successfully sold the home, paid off the reverse mortgage balance, and preserved significant equity for herself and her siblings. It's important to understand specific deadlines and legal considerations related to reverse mortgages in probate. Lender timelines. Typically, lenders require repayment within 6 months following the borrower's death. Through extensions can be granted in 90-day increments if probate is underway or if you're actively marketing the home. Probate court timelines. California probate processes typically take 12 to 18 months. Therefore, prompt lender communication is critical to coordinate court timelines and lender repayment deadlines. Missing these deadlines can result in foreclosure, loss of equity, or unnecessary legal complications. One critical point I can't stress enough: even with simplified probate laws and clear procedures for reverse mortgages, having a robust estate plan, particularly a living trust, it's still the best practice, and here's why. Complete avoidance of probate. A properly funded living trust bypasses probate entirely, saving your family significant time and money. Control and clarity. it gives you complete control over asset distribution, preventing unexpected challenges for your heirs. Asset protection for your heirs. Trust, protected inheritance from creditor claims, lawsuits, and divorces, especially important given California's high divorce rate. For example, had Sarah's mother established a living trust before her passing, the property could have avoided probate altogether, providing even faster resolution and greater peace of mind. Lastly, here are a few quick tips to maximize the inherited property's value even when encumbered by a reverse mortgage. Quick, affordable repairs, minor cosmetic improvements significantly boost property appeal and price. Professional staging and marketing, expert staging and high-quality photography attract more buyers and better offers. Work with specialists. Choose professionals. Attorneys, probate specialized realtors, appraisers who understand probate intricacies. Sarah's proactive approach and her realtor's strategic advice increased home sale price by nearly 15%, netting her family tens of thousands of additional dollars. Navigating probate with a reverse mortgage in California can feel daunting at first, but remember, by clearly understanding your options, working proactively with knowledgeable professionals, and making informed decisions, you can absolutely protect your family's inheritance and even enhance its values. If you're in this situation now or simply want to be prepared, feel free to reach out for guidance tailored to your needs. If this video has provided value, please like, subscribe, and share it with anybody who could benefit. Leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. I'm here to help, and your feedback helps our community grow stronger. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.